who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah. So once again, you know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions. Very relevant. Don't be offended. Better music. All right. Yeah. Many to time, maybe who we are seeing, and I used to be about maybe Sunday, and the wind. Peter, and to 40 Jesus is coming to 20 years ago, and to tell I will do. Come on, then, you may see answer that why you Garden of Eden, when you put on the other way. Yeah. To be the Bible, summer will. Yeah, what's up on some of the money I make good jebo. When you blasphemy, but when you say it makes sense, or not about me, or my dinner for 10 defense, when I walk on something, when somebody fire for me, I don't know who need to be to avoid more offense. But when people some no code before them, people who move in Keka, or not this local way, they may have one antenna. I don't know that capital Nigeria Shaman Japonia. Who be the enemy? The book at the one somewhere, it's a so funny. Okritonia, who need your, when you make company. Now, what fire to not be making more money. And I want to be a economy, so shut up. Use the common sense. Yeah, you might go who my neighbor would daily bread. Let's do a job at the other friend. Or pass on you, one go, what did I change? Who just become the most of one, and you didn't request. We now go on, we need bank account. Now, there's some funny so we take a crap over Yanka. Who's your type, your use, a good dollar account. And so make us say, you'll be fast of your wedding pampa. We got to respect your maybe a time to your meal. We now go on, boy, and say, you're so many of your home. It's we a lawyer near, we a doctor near, we a teacher near, didn't pray and one no. CSF Abraham Moshe. Now, I just don't customer can guarantee they say religion, they come here, they answer here, you love you more. You have to got an national popular religion, which you have been your friend was saying was your friend of brethren. And so you will get your friend of cooking control. Yeah, identity. So who's going to be called the brethren? When you say they get that's why we believe for. I don't know what the neighbor will be anywhere what trying to be. They got that one for what will they come right in to actually in the Africa. You have to be a name of your friend is away, you don't need a bubble for.
But over on a wash a video now, right? Michubia, Mobia, Chiano, Mobia Quaba. Sena ya yeno the piano. And a pine summa quaba. Na, you know why I think Esunyadi and a penty messer or Daroma. Obaya na Wabon one day na wash it. No be any begging. I'll be sharing there part 2. The biggest crime in Christianity, or the biggest crime in religion part 2. The bad part 3, you know. In the messer of Baswa, na ye unya da Roma na yere na share video. And I grab me a video be me the Quranic Bible. The Quranic Bible. It's like Jesus. That is Jesus in the Quran. They're so different together. Until we go YouTube now, we subscribe to CSF Yahuda na obenya video na yere. CSF members yes remo subscribe ma boy. Yes remo subscribe my one subscribe ya. Kona ko subscribe. We subscribe nso na wakai amia bell no so na da bia obenya notification na maboaye mwana maboaye kakran mwana maboaye nti esre mo awai ti yenti enyum we kakra na yemfa addition nga de entoas Obaso na watch the video na kama the biggest crime. Who committed it? Yahuda ni Brother James. Any other names? Nasio Obeware. Sin again. Children. Yo. CSF Monsters, you are welcome once again. Good morning, my fellow family. This is your boy, Nsangokodi Ojumora Ayedun Akegin, aka Yahuda Quintana. Everybody is welcome this morning for another section. As your program, say, your program, your gusu ahead and your program. Now, normally, I am saying in IFT and say there is no time to waste. We have limited time to do unlimited things. We have limited time to do unlimited things. Until I say kakrane aba. One dream one day as yes sir. I don't pay remember wakwa bium na machia bium aba CSF page so. Na mama wakwa aba na madawasi so bium na mesre se obebo mbonde se obe share video no so amami bombondene pa se obe share. We win so bombondene se obe subscribe to the YouTube channel which is the CSF Yahuda. Your other YouTube channels, Common Sense Family, Kaina subscribe. Your friend saying CSF TV, Bomboni subscribe. We win so now subscribe to CSF Yahuda. Mesra Obaso Bomboni na share. And then me buy me ban saying, and right me a video be the biggest crime in Christianity. Much let's say as I see we so enye yetenabre. That is one of the better and the best place. Something as I see we the Omo GDA say the time will come or they will live on this planet and fly there. Now that was my question. My question was that if they knew say they have a better place to go, a better place than as I see we so why don't they go now? Why won't they live here now? Some more baby papa saying Hannah. I didn't know move here and but then me Bible quotation say ye nipa de sani ye mfia asase so. And because of this quotation and ama Africa abibi man yentimi nka yentimi nyade enkonka yentimi nkoyeni because we have been polluted with this west. Say as soon as I was as we so ye free her nti automatically we nipa de sani na ye ka kire wo say bibia woten wo free her e den say wo be sie bibia wo ye den wo adenti wouldn't say we see ha kra that you be free ha nya de obeden wo betena ha nti e be so difficult say obeden wo be see baby awo te mesere wo ba so a bombo de say wo be share video no me chia comment say busiafo nyina from day one mo na mososo yi mu ade ba bedu sesi a ye sere say mo be koso so yi mu na mo push message no mo share message no mo send mo share message no mo invite na mo share na mo subscribe no mo koso anye de enye saa enye de emfa maye eye mo na mo ho na ye ho mo ni ho a ye ni ho nti medasi anano pai na aya eden yako but me pese o ti ase se we kristoni na we ogidi bi ni we ogidi ni na wo esum bi mu se wo ji Quran di wo ji Bible di we nkrambo ni we kristoni a me pese o ti ase so bi ana bibi ana book bi aka kire wo se asase we so enye bebia wo fi a book no oboa o twantro e total ntro se si a your age of reasoning the age of Aquarius we are reasoning, we have brain, we can think. Obi kasa sit down na digest it the nipa ne den kan no na dream ho if it makes sense now they hear ma if it doesn't make sense no. But the difference is anytime be obi abekasa no matter how or no matter where the person comes from no automatically the person will obeka nyansasem wom say oka nyansasem a you pick the nyansasem now they abo obra say nkwasiasem wom a you throw the nkwasiasem away they won book we are referring to Bible no nkwasiasem a ewom no edoso nkwasem a ewom no edoso nti book we me friend the slavery manual the tool to control we the black people it is saying before then no this book was given to us by our slave masters history ebi adance here ebi awunim ye ho adisua Bible and the Quran came from our slave masters. The people who came to Africa to enslave our forefathers, kill them, slaughter them, rape them, and took them into captivity are the same people who brought the Bible as the word of God. This is where we need to start thinking. Into a guy called Denzel Washington, or say, my fellow black people, why do you have to believe a book given by your slave masters? Think the person who beat your grandfather, kill your grandfather, slaughter and shoot your grandfather, gave you a book and named the book the Word of God. That means Kinkai book or Kinkai book, and there is a place you go. Don't forget, the white man never give you free visa, free ticket, free passport to Europe. Even in US, when you are going to US and yet difficult, the white man who refused to give you free visa, free ticket, free, how do you call it, plane ticket, free ticket, free, how do you call it, passport to his country is the same white man who gave you free book to heaven. They gave you free book to heaven. It doesn't make sense. Now, let's go. Let's continue. Today, the topic in the topic is according to the Bible. According to the Bible, almost say free her. Now, the first question, if the Bible tells you say so what should we catch us say? Lesson we. I need to repeat it until people understand what I really want to mean. As I said, me boho biuma mama for you etimase. Yes, our John chapter 15, verses number 19. Jesus babekasa. What we say? We disprove we disprove you with your own belief system, which is the Bible and the Quran. And the Quranic Bible, Isa Jesus. Who is Isa Jesus? The birth of Jesus in the Quran, the birth of Jesus in the Bible, in the Mesra. Go back to my YouTube channel, subscribe, see SF Yahuda, press the bell, go and watch the video. You really love it. It was so fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you for making this number one. You got me now. What's it? John 15 verses number 19. Let me read. Here I read. I'm starting from 18. The topic says the world hated you. If the world hates you, you just remember that it has hated me first. Jesus and Ekasano. If you belong to the world, then the world will love you as its own. But I choose you from this world, and you do not belong to it. That is why they hate you. And according to Jesus, Jesus person said, "Asuafo na ofra omo na omudi n'echi no, omu fi asase so ha. Na nka omu fi asase so ha. Ana wo ye Kristo ni, na wo bedi Yesu n'echi a, me ba to tim na tim ni pa. Wo ye Kristo na wo bedi Yesu n'echi, wo be ye Kristo ni a, wo mfi asase so. Na mbom Yesu ene fi wo fi asa, oyi wo fi asase so. Ewo mo sa wo ti asase so, wo didi wo asase so, wo no mo asase so. Bet onu Yesu e wo nkyeremu foforo se, enya asase so na wo ye de wo fi. Na mbom otrusu oyiu sebra be di n'echi na asase so wo mfiri ha. You did not belong to the world. Wo mfi asase so. Now, every quotation be a maybe sabia, I want to add a question to the quotation. Now also what dream ho. Now what na say bisa ho say. So, say Jesus say, wo be ye Kristo ni, na wo mfi asase so a. Bisa ho say, wo free him. The only proof and evidence are wo any me ye one say, the ye ni me say, ye ma me ne ye papa na ye de, ye wo ye. Nti de ni metima akire say, baby a mimi fini, eh me ma me yam. Nti sa wo ka kire me say, asase so a, na me fi baby foforo na ba ya, metima ka say, I me gitum, bet mo fi me fi me ma me yam. Nti to me no, me hu ma me yam say, it's a different world. But obi ka kire wo say, wo mfi asase so, wo mfi ma me yam, na mbom wo fi nfa, wo fi heaven bi na ba ya, nipa no ofrodo, nipa no oye cram, nipa no ofrodo, 419. Nti 419 in Christianity, 419 in religion, 419 in Islamic. They tell you yemfi asase we so just to divert your attention. Nipa no di book iba no. They brought this quotation to divert our attention from Yankasa, for we not to know who we are, for we not to discover exactly who we are, what we are for. They divert your thinking system. They divert your attention for you not to know who you are, what you have to do for yourself and others or to the nations. Now, in John 15:19, Jesus said, "You are not from this world." Jesus and baby are omufi. Jesus never said you are not from this world, but rather you are from this world. Now, according to the Bible, almost in the beginning, God created heaven and earth. And a scientist also say, apart from earth, there were other planets being. Even the heaven is not a planet. According to scientists never discover heaven as a planet. But rather, as we scientists discover say one of the planet. But there were billions of planets, millions of planets, which the Bible never mentioned of it. Enunti, say we are from another planet there. It make some little sense. It makes sense, kakra. You bet me Gina said no, you want different planet inti. Ebia, you Earth, you Pluto, you Mercury. But according to religion tells you if you are not from this earth, then you are from heaven. Heaven is not a planet. This heaven there is not a planet. No scientist has ever discovered say the heaven is a planet. The same thing, Bible no discover say heaven a planet. Now we continue to Romans chapter 12, verses number 2. Me person what me teachings na say, I want you to follow me with a good heart. I want you to follow me with reasoning and logic. This is what religion told us. We and a son akatre. A son akatre nipa bia say, yemfi asase so, ya hoho any amanfrafo. Yes, they said it. I'll quote it. It is in the Bible. Romans chapter 12, verses number 2. We have been deceived. They diverted our dream. Romans 12, 2. What's it saying? Do not conform yourself to the standard of this world. Do not conform yourself to the standard of this world. But let God transform you inwardly by a complete change of your mind. Then you will be able to know the will of God, what is good and is pleasing to Him and is perfect. That means they are telling us we shouldn't comfort ourselves to this world. That means we shouldn't think about where we sleep. We shouldn't think about where we stay. We shouldn't think about what we eat. So if you read Matthew chapter 6, you read verse 25. Jesus said, don't think of what to eat tomorrow. That means Christianity, the concept of the Bible and the concept of the Christianity or culture and say, we are not of this world. So we shouldn't think about this world. We shouldn't think how to do good things, how to prepare the world, how to say that you be see your mind, you be your mapa beto, you be see a diaper, you be see ye maya ye team, and so be you be see in the Bible. I divert your dream. Say asasi we enye dia. Nti asasi we enye dia. One same 24 say we ye obi die yi a e na wo die yi. Ye we binimu a ade na nye ne dia onye ni yi. Because ade na nye ne dia. Ade ye ne dia no na ode na koma ne yure ne gidie na adwen dia hyem because onim say ade no it belongs to him. E yo no na dia. But Bible no aba be ka kire yen say Quran na aba be ka kire yen say asase a yetesui kumasi a wufiri ho awona maimu asanti maimu we ye bononi we ye krachini wufiri anyina mai wufiri boafere wufiri chindere wufiri bajamso kuro bia wufiri so a wote asase we so no kuro no enya wodea asase no enya wodea enunti automatically ubebisa wo se na de enya me de me bia siesie se wanya nyansa hu nyansa se no embra mi nyanwuye no ma mi siesie asase no a den wo de wo ho beto Bible no so they brought this book to divert our attention from the land, for them to take the land away from our hand. Into almost society, if you are so, and access, and Bible, fire assassin, fire natural resources, fire gold, fire timber, fire oil, fire diamond, fire silver. Finally, they took our brain away. Ne kwata ne kwata omo fa ya de ye de koy nti binua se bugu bi ka kire o se enya asase so na wufia na asase so enya wufie na osoro eye wufia sa bugu no ni de otwiro bugu no eye nada eye nkontompo o daada o pe obi bi ewia nti e na okasa now ye to aso me I come by quotation na aborofo na omo no ma ka kire yen se omo di bugu na breye no ma ka kire yen se ma yen hye ya japade wa asase so no yes agapade wo soro no menua wo de tenase na analyze na bisa ho se eburochire ne Ghana etisen eno ne ade a esese eba wudrim eno ne adwen a esese ye de wo tenase a wo dwen na ye de eba wudrim onu broni edi book di abrel ana wuni se broni ne de Bible no brel bi a wuni onu di book na brel se ensese agapade asase so enye wo de ana wo yo hoho ne o manfrani na ono asiesie ni kurom na di kurom aye ofe wonya ni kurom a obeko kire me Ghana ni bibi ni ben e na onya Europe onko kire me Ghana ni bibi ni ben e na onya Germany onko nkotena. Everybody want to travel, everybody want to travel from Africa to Europe, Africa to Asia to better his or her life because physically you say logically, common sensely, you say Europe is better and best than Africa because of their good system. They have good system. If you reach Europe, who do Europe? Brenna will bring Africa, unko bre wo sabi. The last me can say, according to the Bible, o say bemba be tin ani fi free as a wedidi. Sa asem no, enye adwuma ma abrofo. Say enye adwuma mpo a almost 2% bi, ene enye adwuma ma abrofo no 90 to 100%. And a year to year before, a year before the bread, a team free as a yedi. Because okay, Buchira, a Juma is a say the pie, Mammy, a Juma is a say the pie, your fellow say, a Juma is a say, Nipayan, ye the machine and a year. A Juma, who say Nipa, a year no, and then no more ye, Africa, a bibini, a team free and son. Obey ye, Juma and ye be ukwe buchira oma ede oma create machine oma discover oma create machine yes adi ma no ade nti adwe na ye be create machine no sa adwe na sai adwe na ada nti eye den a ya be before ye be kwaso abra tin fifiri nti sa adwuma no sa quotation no eye adwuma ye ma ye nya be before na me kam kire because omudi book ni ba no nturo bu mu say we ye be ma abra tin fifiri answer why dey wedi because omudi be say automatically ye the book yi emun semi ye adwuma ye bebre e na ye bre no they know automatically say if we go by the Bible and the Quran you will suffer. That is why Africa is continually suffering until we throw the Bible and the Quran aside and use the brain and use the logic and use the common sense. Now we continue the lesson. Let me go and go to the next quotation, which is John chapter 18 verses number 36, which Jesus is telling them they are not from this world. This world doesn't belong to them. So they will never, when they tell you the world is not for you, I'm not sure you prepare the world because the thing is not for you. You just live your life anyhow. You live your life anyhow. John chapter 18, verses number 36. Jesus said, my kingdom does not belong to this world. Would ye? If my kingdom belongs to this world, my followers will fight to keep me from handing over to the Jewish authority. No, my kingdom does not belong here. So according to Jesus, if you become a follower of Christ, if you become a Christian, you have a promised place called heaven. You have a promised place called the kingdom of God. And Jesus said, that means he's diverting the attention from this earth. Not and every Christian man, every Muslim man, every religious person, Christian man knows a time will come. He will live on this planet, earth, and go to a place called heaven. So it is so difficult for the person to think about this world, to repair this world, because as we say, ya say no, ya better pen. The Jew for say tikum ulam, repairing the world. How to repair the world? Asase we minu ne be siesie asase no. Ena obi aka kire yen say asase no enye ye dia. Ahana ye ten enye ye dia. Ndi ye den. Se be ba ya adwum se be den ye be siesie ha. Now, mami kan Philippians chapter 3 verse 20 to 21. Sa lesson we quotation e doso. Mpesa me bono me ye no short. Se na manfo be ye de. Beti ase. Nti me kan quotation we na me de ba akoka ho a make so na next time yes I the other one abrofona ba be higher me kan ada minia Philippians chapter 3 verse 20 to 21. May I show some quotations? No, may I show some share video? No, so share video. Man, why? Philippians chapter 3, verse 20 to 21. Mamin kind. To our God and Father be glory forever and ever. Greetings to each of Philippians. Oh, sorry. Why? May kind 4, 3:21. 3:21. Philippians chapter 3. Verse 20. However, are citizens of heaven, and we eagerly wait for our Savior, the Lord Jesus Christ, to come from heaven. He will change our weak, mortal bodies and make them like his own glorious body, using that power by which he is able to bring all this under his rule. Let me repeat so that I will explain to you. Philippians chapter 3, verse 20. We, however, are citizens. That means we are citizens here. Let me read it. We, however, are citizens of heaven. That means we are not citizens of this planet Earth, but ye are who any man frafo. Number me see heaven. What is the Bible come? To be crowd there you or ni mi fie asase so ha there ya kwantum nti asase so ya kwantum na bom ye fie ye den e wo soro na me da bia me bisa se Kristo ni ben e na obetimi amba me full evidence ana one evidence ana one proof say ampampa heaven e na ye fie ya ba asase so Kristo ni bia ni ho the same thing so na kramboni bia nye den ni ba bibia ono betimi asinibo edi ni nsa sinibo ama me proof from baby bia say ono embre onyamba asase so no heaven say nye book yi na ka asase na say nye sa book wi enye Quran no ne Bible no e na ka asase wi ya say evidence no benya wo enu nti ye na nanam ni nyansa ye na nanam san sabi mpre asase san kwasase mi omunyi ntum ye na nanam ni say ye wo ba asase so a bombondre na siesie asase yi so wo siesie asase so a wo bewo se daachi wunni wa wo yere na wo ma atimi anya ajapade wo je da meka no na omo ho ate de atimi ayede atowo na wo ma me de ama mebre bateson akwasi oburoni aba be ka kire bibini se bribini ye na ye wade ye na ye frɛ no bribini wo ye nya bribifo a bribifo ye na ye bri e na ye wo bibi wo te da meka no ye na ye wo bibi wow mesre wo ye ma adwenye adwuma na obi ka kire osasa so ye mfiri ha me se asem wi I will repeat it dwen ho enu nti na menu meni ntimi siesie oman na yetimu no enu nti mpenifo no edo omo adwinu se Bible no omo ya Kristofo ye krambofo ye mampeni o ye Kristoni ye mampeni e ba de akire o ye kramoni eda na adwimu se daachi ndi asase so nye ne dia obekọ heaven aye mampeni nim se daachi obekọ heaven ni nyina ekikura dia Bible no kai no mu mfa nye adwuma hwa japade a omaye enunti asofo no magigidi asofo no monam nyankopon din Yesu din mu Bible din mu esom din mu eji sika edi sisi ajapade esi dan akese bank account akese companies akese no sa quotation we omu refi ana omu nkinkan omu refi se Bible no se yen sisa ajapade wa asase so omu refi ana omu nkinkan nti sometimes we have to talk to your friend say asole man we asole ba na wotiemia wo sika na osofo agi na waboaboa no ena odi ekoto dan we brochire last May 2019 obi ni mu bae omi nyina bae e be kire se ukọ brochire ukọ Dubai eden ye wasi ukọ UK eden ye wasi ena omo Bible no se enhisa japade wa asase so na asase so ye yawo ne amanfrafo na osoro ye fie nti why adenti ena omo hisa japade na wo asole ba won tena se ndwen ho kakra. Now church member Pentecost ni awu amasofo Pentecost ni awawali Yesu na wosofo awu na yesi school na school nu kura oba wosofo oba no onkobi na mbom ne ma eko school we brochire na won nan dwen ho Me ba tawo tie da me kana no pa tie mi na tie mi yie pa na mani abre when ni nsa na sese ye ka no de to nipa adwum na ya adwum nda ho na ye nso mfi nko aso mu na se ye the book Bible Bible Jesus Allah nkrembosom ni Kristosuma ye betena se ema oman no abu aboye ebinom be di ye wo man mu na ye den ye bre ampa ebi nso mu di ye ebinom ti sa asofo ni ye fe say adifo any politicians aban mu mpanyifo o mu di ye because aban mu mpanyifo na mo man no so e di ye taxes o mo ji ye properties o mo tonton bosi o mo jiji na o ma ji skanafa e na asofo nso gina asole mma no so o man mana yete o man mu a ya adwe se Nyankopon bi na wo mboa bi ma ye no ye kotena asole da mu a na asofo no nso asafa Bible so asa die kakrawa na o ma boa bo skana no no mu dia ya ajapade o mu wia na o ma ka kire yen se asase so enye bebia yefi na egbom esoro eni yefi ade ntina ye nyina yentena ohiam se na Bible no kan no Luke chapter 6 verses number 20 se nhire ni mu ahiafo na mono osoro ahini ye den eye modea na yentena mu na ye nyina yentwe osoro ahini na ye nyina ye di hia se Bible na kan Matthew chapter 19 o ka kiro bi se kwa na koton wa japade na wo benya mmoho e wo soro no ade ntina ye mfa sa akote sinsini nya adwuma asole ma me ka sa kire wo asole no be kwa fa empty headed fa wadwe headed fa ko ya me mfa wo empty headed nko na asore no wo di adwinto e na eko wo di adwinto e na eko asore no wo di adwinto e na eko sa asore no be kwa ko but ya me mfa sika nhye wo wa fa 2 cd kwala ni type 2 cd fa ko dia kan fa tutu susu ofie na fa hwe wo ma fa tutu susu ofie na fa pe asase bi to fa tutu susu ofie na pa bibi ye me too for me kasa kire wo as a man of God ahunahuna na omode titi asol dan na omo ka kire se Bible no se esoma ka kire nipa desani adwen be kra ne da yetim a me pato mi nyankamboni a wotie mi eni Kristo ni adwen be ne da wotim na Bible book bi aka kire wo se bebi ayawo bebi ayenye ne wo ye ma wo nofo wo ma me no wo na wo no nofo no efom na wo koye bebi ayetete wo hu asase hu nsuo wunyini wie ya na book bi aka kire wo se wo mfi a wo ye owo e wo kurom wono wo ye owo kurom na wo ntimi mbisa nipa ne se wo mbisa nipa ne se se me ye owo mi kurom a himfa na me friba no so ka kire wo se wo free heaven na mbisa nipa ne se ni proof ni evidence adansi die ben ene kire se ye fi heaven e ba ha because ya adwen ada because o ma dane ya adwen because o ma sesa ya adwen because o mu nim se ye di book na chi a book no be se ya adwen ntimi ka kire wo Bob Marley na wan ka se o si release yourself from mental slavery ye da so ye nkoa e ma abrofo no matter how ye nkoa hwe se ye be fi nkoa so mu a we have to do away with democracy and do away with the saying religion. Democracy today, socialism tomorrow. And the Ghana Bampini only say, we go school, we tear punishment, we your mind more, we bibia, jail, a some religion, we bibia, one samja, into what we used to fear, we fear them no more. What we used to see, we see them no more. What we used to hear, we hear them no more. And what we can't speak, we will now speak it. Diana yentiminka yebeka. Diana yentiminka yebede yebeka. Enti mo bi nka ntra asase so, wo ye owo ha. Masa, bombondene, brewumbu jeni, ye adwuma, pesika, pe asase, sidan, na siesie ofie. Na asase so nya ye dia adenti na mwesi mission house amasofo ne ne ma wo de hwefie o mudam na hwefie o wotim wo mo dafie mu wo tifie o mo da ba wo no wo da nsonkro nsu ntukura wo ntimi na we woka obeka say you are possessed by demon and a born sambi na abehye wo na wo kita wo fi we used to hear sawo esana yate ajai yate abre enye honhomfun bi na agro obi mu ye pese mote ase se ye honhomfin po na ba emu a ye bie mu adwuma ma wa adwen da wo ma wani da ho common sense family Abraham bi mo say ma wani da ho asoro na wo kon fa wa adwen ye adwuma em na kene dia Japan o fire wo no or the common sense adwuma nti o CCC church the Christ Church of Common Sense Ghana for yempe no kore book ni Bible ni hwe Africa me ka no kore akere mo ye bibifo se ye transe na ye Ewurade Bible Quran Islamica malam ala o man no be pro na wini bebi o man no bebi a eya e pro si bebi a hwe ye wasem bi wo ka kwanto se bia na akoye asem e ba no book we ya na sebi me nua no mutwabofo na eya me nwanwa eya me mobo ye me nwanwa ye masefem eya me mobo ye me nwanwa ye masefem. Look at this book she book we oba so ashema me sankofa the big finisher the big ultimate finisher me tu chema why ya das me adwumade a wo ye de wo ye every year book we every year bibini be fi Ghana abobo sika no atutu susu saa e wo bank embrekra bibliote ye frɛ wo zongo sebi mprebia sa bibliote obetini dan yachi wonya di obedi obetini dan yachi sabi bibi obeda onibi na wo tamsika bungwi atukwan akosadi Arabia se wo komeka wo kwa kodi nsira sabi adwempe ne dan yitrim adwempe ne dan nipa de sanitrim. People are killing people because of this book. People are slaughtering people because of this book. People are pouring blood because of this book. Ebi kunipa nipa desani nipa awudidi homen frama ebi kunipa because of this Quran. Okay, you see menka. This is the time for the earth to vomit the truth. Embrace say assassin no be fe no krebia. No krebia assassin no omo ma assassin na mene ye no assassin no be fe ni nyina. And we are proud of ourselves. Common Sense family. We are proud of ourselves. I am proud of Otumu Finisher, proud of Ahmed Farah, proud of Abraham Dimushi, proud of P Black, proud of Common Sense family. I am very proud of you. Have Nipa, have Bosom. You are doing great. You are going Buddha and one say, "Mo be support you." Now you support your own pushing movement. You know, it is a book be catch now say, "Assassins who won't free her." Catch the odi book ne ba say, "And the onboa no ho na bebia wo free ba no onye de onfa nko ho na munam nye de nko." Look at Europe, look at Italy, look at Germany, look at America, look at US, look at Canada, my favorite country, Canada. Look at China, look at Dubai. Dubai kura balance abe. Hwe sometimes say we should be a brabo de wo e bo wa brabo. Ono Arab ni onu di Quran na bre ono. Kona ko hwe di kurum. Ono European, ono Europe ni broni na, ono di Bible no bre ono. Kona ko hwe di kurum. Enu nto omu di book no be sesa ya adwen. Omu di book no e be sesa yen ya adwen. Na book yi ka kire wo se wo mfi asase so wo yo wo ne o manfrani. Indirectly nipa na person kire wo se asase so memma wa adwen nti ampa it is working. It is working. E ye adwuma papa. Ya fa ye di adwuma. Oh, you na agapade betwa mu akọ. Ye di wiase kura akọ he. Wiase na agapade betwa mu akọ. Se wiase na agapade betwa mu akọ. Ka kire wo sofo, ka kire wo malam, ka kire wo imam, ka kire sheik ne se wiase ye den etwa mu akọ. Nti mo mpa sika, mo nsi dan. Na ye nyina ye ntra sesa. Let your brain work. Refresh adwene no. This is the time with the brain is bigger than this book. Adwene enyini sin se na e wo ha no. Wo ye nipa de se na 21st century wa adwene da wutiri mu se wo baby ko na papa bi be fi soro aba ye fe Jesus wo sha atade kokko o be fa wa ko soro wa mesrew me paacho me sa mesrew sabi prebiasa book na ma wada ni jimifo me ka no kra kire o sabi. Se sa jidie no wutimu a mesrew min di watem but sabi book no ama wada ni kwasia. No, for me to believe you say meji we dia. So we fi heaven. Who dey ma me proof? Na ma me evidence ba ko. Say oh ampa me fi heaven. We into the me fi heaven. Me nkasa bibri anopai. Video no a short. We part 2 me the part 3 baba. Ba mesrew bo monne na subscribe to CSF Yahuda. Subscribe mami. Na bom bondre na share video no. Ana we invite obi no obi so anya be den ahwe. Yen share videos mon boy na videos no ye ya na ya den ya hye me mo bi nkan tell asase so wo mfi ya wan bombonde ni yeduma bombonde ni pesika bombonde ni yeduma pe asase na to wow to advice anka me wa me be ma won say nka wo ye nipa na wo nya sika na wo akwantuo mu a nka bebia wo fi wo kurom ye di kan siesie wan sam wo siesie bebia wo tu kwan ba ye no nti egotire for yesrem mu nya sika mo mbra Ghana wo nya sika bra Ghana na be se bebia wo fi no ekura ase ye nyina ye fi nkura ase na obi ka kire ekura ase a won ti ase bebia ye fi ekura ya ase o nti se de obi nko n'anim because ekura nase waja nase wo baabi wo forget wase nipa wutumi eye wase bebia wo firi ye fi ekura ase ekura yen ase eno na ekura yen nti wo refi bebia ekura wo na totally you are lost eno so na Bible no kire yen say bebia ekura yen no ye mfiri ho nti book no eye coded book na ye coded book we need to decode it a coded book because they knew say baby a free no eho wa dwen ko ho a usiesie wa ene bema wa bra wa ede akonkan nto ma ka cho say wo no wo yo ohoho nso nsiesie obi kurom ohoho nyansani bia nsiesie obi kurom ohoho ye nyansani no obi siesie ni kurom because onim say enye ho na ede ofiri mo wo so a wo hwem sisi ano eye bibi ntina wutu kwan firi o man Ghana mu bibi ben nsem ya anti nsem kro ya anti ena wutu kwan because o man nko yi ena wutu kwan ko Germany Italy ni US any Canada o ko pe bibi aide abafie nti wunnim se Italy wo enye wukurum wunnim se Germany enye wukurum o ko pe bibi abafie sansona wo te Ghana na enya akra na ofi ekura bi ase ne ba ya wo pe bibi de ko we kura ase wo go siesie ho because e wona we de ofri medo obi bi ase biom na masa mo bi akwa ba mo somfo nsem okoji ojumora ayedum akegi nsem okoji ojumora ayedum akegi aka Yahuda Quintana e na mo pa minimum adi nkomo no mesa ba biom na ma ba be part 3 the biggest crime part 3 and drop the biggest crime part 1 and then the biggest crime part 2 and draw the no kire say ye be ko heaven oti ye be ko heaven and then kire say asase so enye ye dia nti me ba be part 3 no na ye di bibiase me do bibiase bon mondre na subscribe to CSF Yahuda. Don't forget Common Sense Family, subscribe to Common Sense Family YouTube. Don't forget CSF TV, bon mondre na subscribe to CSF TV me do bibiase ye best man share biom adwene enye djuma honam ne bebre bye bye.